Bonjour les élèves. Today we're going to talk about les articles définis. Let's first review what we know about indefinite articles. We've already learned that to say a or an in French, you'll use the indefinite article en with masculine objects, une with feminine objects, and to say some, you'll use des in front of objects that are plural. The definite article is the word the in English and in French. So to say the in French with masculine objects, you'll use the word le. With feminine objects, you'll use the word la. With plural objects, you will use les. And with singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound, you'll use l'apostrophe. Basically, because you can't have the vowel in le or the vowel in la next to another vowel or a word that starts with a vowel, we drop the e in le or the a in la, replace it with an apostrophe, and we use l'apostrophe before any singular noun that starts with a vowel. In French, the definite article cannot be omitted, so this is a little bit different than what we have in Anglais. In English, when you make general statements, you'll leave out the article. For example, the sentence, I like music. There's nothing in between the verb like and the noun music. However, in a French sentence, you couldn't go from the verb like and the noun music without an article in its place. So what we use in French are the definite articles. They must always be included before the noun when we would leave them out in an English statement. So the statement, the equivalent of I like music en français would be j'aime la musique. You can see how la is there in front of music. It still is translated as I like music. It's just part of French grammar rules that a definite article has to be included before a noun in statements that are generalities, like liking and disliking things. Okay, so I have a couple of sentences that I'd like for you to try. Just replace the blank with the definite article. So, try classe, regardez blank tableau. Blank élève silence, j'aime blank classe. Marc aime blank école. And lastly, nous avons blank livre. So include these in your notes. We'll go over them in class and answer any questions that you might have about les articles définis. Au revoir les élèves.